In the sprawling fields of northern France, a battle of epic proportions unfolded on July 1, 1916. The Battle of the Somme, a crucial engagement of World War I, marked a turning point in the conflict's stalemate. The Allied forces, comprising primarily of British and French troops, faced the German Empire's formidable army. The battlefield expanded over a 15-mile front, along the Somme River, as both sides prepared to clash in one of the war's largest battles. The sun rose on that fateful day, casting long shadows on the battlefield. The Allied forces, anticipating a quick victory, marched forth, oblivious to the devastating toll that awaited them. The Germans, well prepared and entrenched, awaited their adversaries. The first wave of Allied soldiers advanced, only to be met with a hail of German machine gun fire and artillery shells. The landscape transformed into a hellish spectacle, as trenches filled with the wounded and the dead. Despite the heavy casualties, the Allies continued their assault, hoping to break through the enemy lines. The battle raged on for months, claiming the lives of over 1 million soldiers and leaving the battlefield a desolate wasteland. The Battle of the Somme was a somber reminder of the war's brutal reality. It highlighted the immense human cost of war and the futility of trench warfare. Despite the heavy losses, the battle did lead to minor gains for the Allies and marked a shift in the war's momentum. The battle's legacy lingered long after the guns fell silent. It became a symbol of the war's futility and the sacrifice of countless lives. The Battle of the Somme served as a stark reminder of the horrors of war and the profound impact it has on those who fight. The battlefield today stands as a haunting testament to the past, a place where history echoes in the silence, a silent memorial to the brave souls who gave their lives in the name of freedom. The Battle of the Somme serves as a stark reminder of the cost of war and the enduring spirit of those who fought and fell.